The 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. 1. Matsya, the fish, avatar, represents life originating in water. 2. Kurma, the tortoise, avatar, represents amphibians moving from water to land. 3. Varaha, the boar, avatar, represents land animals and mammals. 4. Narasimha, the half-man, half-lion, avatar, represents the transition from animal to human form. 5. Vamana, the dwarf, avatar, represents early, short-statured humans. 6. Parashurama, the warrior with an axe, avatar, represents tool-using humans living in forests. 7. Rama, the Prince of Ayodhya, avatar, represents organized, civilized society and governance. 8. Krishna, the divine statesman, avatar, represents advanced human society, politics, and philosophy. 9. Buddha, the enlightened one, avatar, represents the human quest for higher consciousness and spirituality. 10. Kalki, the future avatar, represents the ultimate future of humanity and the cosmic reset.